Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Honda Odyssey. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, keyless start. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.